Hello students. Today we are going to discuss how does the human ear perceive sound. Our ear are the sense organ that help us to hear sounds. When sound propagates through air, it reaches our ear and we are able to hear it. Human ear can be divided into three parts: outer ear, middle ear and inner ear. Outer ear consists of a flap-like structure called pinna, which is connected to the ear canal. At the end of the ear canal, there is a very delicate circular membrane called the eardrum. Middle ear consists of three tiny bones and hammer, anvil and stirrup, whose one end is connected to the eardrum and the other end is connected to the inner ear. And inner ear consists a cochlea which is filled with a fluid and has hair-like cells inside it. The pinna collects sound waves from the surrounding and send them into the eardrum. And these sound waves strike the eardrum and vibrate it. These vibrations are passed to the three bones, hammer, anvil and stirrup, that amplify the vibration, and the amplified vibration are received by the cochlea, which convert them into nerve impulse that are sent to the brain through an auditory nerve, and the brain decodes the nerve impulses and get the specific information. We can understand the working of the ear with the help of this flow chart. Pinna collects sound waves from the surrounding and send them to the eardrum, and when sound waves fall on the eardrum, they make the eardrum to vibrate. The three bones, hammer, anvil and stirrup, which are present in the middle ear, on receiving the vibration from the eardrum, they amplify it, and cochlea receive the amplified vibration from three bones and convert them into nerve impulses and send to the brain through auditory nerve. Brain decodes the nerve impulses into specific sound. Noise pollution. Noise, we hear lot of sound in our surrounding, and the sound of our parents, sound of television, ringing of phone, sound of speakers, sound of birds, dogs, etc. Some of these sounds are very loud and are not pleasing. Any sound that is not pleasing to the ear is called noise. The word noise comes from the Latin word that is nauseous, N-A-U nauseous, which means disgust or discomfort. It is produced by irregular sound vibration, and long exposure to noise can cause health disorder. The sound produced by machines, vehicles on roads, too many people talking at the same time are example of the noise. On the other hand, soothing and pleasant sound can create a pleasant sensation to the ear are called musical sounds. Music is produced by regular vibration, and the sound produced by musical instruments are an example of music. And you know that all of us like to hear music, but sometimes very loud and fast music may also become noise for other, that cause noise pollution. Excessive, displeasing human, animal or machine created noise that disrupt the activity or balance of human or animal life is called noise pollution. And the source of most outdoor noise is mainly construction and transportation system, including noise from motor vehicle, aircrafts and train. So the sources are loudspeaker, plumbing, boiler, generator, air conditioners, fans and vacuum cleaner. They are also the source of noise pollution. Health effects. Sometimes noise pollution cause very harmful effect on our health. It directly affects the mind. People take longer time to concentrate in the environment having lots of noise. And according to the US EPA, there are direct links between noise and health. Also, noise pollution adversely affects the lives of millions of people. It can damage physiological and psychological health, increase in blood pressure, Stress related illness, sleep disorder, hearing loss, and productivity loss are the problem related to the noise pollution. And it can cause memory loss, severe depression, and panic attacks. It also causes nervous tension. Now, how to reduce noise pollution? The main solution for that is planting bushes and trees around the source of noise, because trees serve as major absorber of the sound that reduce the noise pollution. Regular servicing and tuning of automobiles can effectively reduce the noise pollution. Building can be designed in such a way that suitable noise absorbing with suitable noise absorbing material for walls, window and ceiling. Workers who are working in industries or factories should be provided with equipments such as earplugs and harmful for their ear and protect them from noise. Similarly, lubrication of the machinery and servicing should be done to minimize noise generation. Soundproof materials can be used for the construction work. Regulations should be imposed to restrict the usage of loudspeakers in crowded areas, especially near the hospitals, etc. And factories and industries should be located far from the residential area. Hearing impairment. Hearing impairment is the total hearing impairment. What is hearing impairment? The loss of hearing ability to a person is called hearing impairment, and it can occur due to aging, loud noise, injury, disease. Some people suffer from hearing impairment from birth itself, while some people have partial impairment from birth itself. Such people can hear using hearing aids, which are technological devices, and they may also use sign language and communicate effectively. We all should be sensitive to such people and treat them normally. So, for person who is suffering from hearing disability, they use a device that is known as a hearing aid. And it is generally used by the people who have partial hearing loss. It is an electronic or battery operated device that receives sound through its microphone. It has a microphone that receives sound. These this microphone convert the sound waves into electrical signals, and these electrical signals are then amplified and given to the speaker of the hearing aid, and the speaker convert this amplified signal back into the sound, and this amplified sound is then sent to the ear that helps the affected person to hear it much more clearly. It's a very important device for the person who is suffering from hearing impairment, and they can hear properly. There is a home assignment for you. How the ear enable us to hear. Explain what is noise pollution, what are the effects of noise pollution, what are the causes of noise pollution, and differentiate between noise and music. Thank you.